Look, this is the same for your door. This is TN10 handle and the cylinder and the key. You can see this one. This is also is the same your lock, and this is handle and this is key. And now I show you. You can see this is okay. You can turn the key. You can turn the key. So this cylinder work is okay. Now I put the handle and the cylinder to the door. Later. 可以开始。You can see this is test the lock is work okay. You can see the handle can turn the door. You can see.
然后告诉他打开状态。
We open the door.
这个在中间。
Must check the lock point in the center. It is here and here. This lock must be in center. So this is okay. Then I will put the handle to the door. Now you can see the cylinder is like this. You must put the door. You must put the key to the cylinder. You must like this. Like this is flat. Then you put the door. Then you must put the center screw to margin board lock. This one.
这差不多就可以了。告诉他这放在这锁就可以了，可以了吧？可以了。告诉他怎么锁就可以了。见鬼了。
The cylinder and the mounting point lock is not stable. Now you can't turn the key like this. So you must keep the screw can put here. Look, the screw can put this hole. Now the cylinder is okay. You can see this. We can turn the key.
要360度转。
Okay, see this one. And you also can test the mounting port and lock. When we turn the key, when we lock, you can see this one is lock.
看底下是什么？
Handle can't lock, can't turn. So now later I will show you how to adjust the handle. Now your handle is like this. Here is lock. And the turn. The door is open. And this way the door is tilted. So this is the same. Now I show you how to adjust this one. At first, you just take off the handle. 先支撑下来啊。
先选下来，锁住的时候选下来。
The door is locked, so you take out the handle.
哇，完蛋，那边等下没人。就是打开嘛，先打开嘛，打开状态。
Now we take out.
看这个要在中间，
The
这个要
handle.
在中
The
间，
door is open.
这个要在中
Open.
间。
The marking locking point is in the center. You can check this one. Now we just turn the handle.
这样，
Then we just like this way. Put the screw back.
你看它电动撞了就可以了，把这个循环。
等一下，哪个电动车还有那个平板门也要试一下。
其实这种怪异的视频要多拍的嘛，让人家直接上面找答案的。
对，我是做了一个网页，专门说的视频的网页，所以问题就是传到上面了。Now this way, the door is open. So in vertical, the door is locked. Now the door is locked. So
看我这边不要把这个。OK 的。
now it's locked. So
Wow.
here is open inside, and then now it's tilt. So we fix this problem. Okay.